Unable to send SMS on Telegram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can solve unable to send SMS on Telegram. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you're not able to send SMS on Telegram, maybe you've been trying to log into your account. The reason it will say unable to send SMS is because you have been trying too many times, and that is why Telegram will restrict your ability for a while. Now, do not try from the same page over and over again. What I want you to do is just long press on the Telegram app icon. Tap the I button to come to the app info page. Then from there, you can simply go to storage, clear the cache files, and you can also clear all the necessary data. This will log you out and reset the app, by the way. Now, after that, you also want to come to your Play Store, check if the Telegram app has an update. And if it does, then just make sure to update the Telegram app to the latest version, because most likely that could also solve the issue for you. Then after you've done that, you can come back to Telegram and you can try using a VPN, because VPN will change your IP address, which will let Telegram think that this is another person trying to log in. Then you can just go ahead and then basically try to log in, and it should give you access to your account. This way you should be able to solve unable to send SMS on Telegram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.